So what we have here, if you see water puddled in your yard, more than likely when it's dry, you got a water line leak, which we have here. This is actually our well line. Our well is in the front yard. Back over here, I got this utility kind box. Down inside there is the well pipe. It comes up, it turns toward the house, and runs between that silver van and the patio, or carport rather. And what's happened is this has leaked here before, and I fixed it before, and here we go again. If you see water in your yard standing where it shouldn't be, you probably got a water line leak. Okay, for this repair you're going to need a few things. You're going to need some kind of a saw. I have a sawzall. Channel locks, I'll show you why that's important later. It's got nothing to do with the repair, but then you need an 1.25 inch coupling or whatever size pipe it is that's in your yard. It might be 3/4, 1 inch if it's just a city water line. But this is a well line that's going into the ground. Then I got some of this rain or shine. This the blue PVC glue. You want this because I promise you it's going to be wet. If you use standard glue, it's not going to hold. I got some water to reprime my pump, and I have this repair piece here. It's 1.25 inch. It's telescopic. You collapse it down and cut the pipe so this will fit. So I'm gonna have to come over here and cut out a section of pipe equal in distance to this repair. Then whenever I get it put in place, telescopic out. You see, it goes. So you cut it small. You cut the pipe opening small, then you open it. I have to pull with my legs. So that's how it's going to work. That coupling's going to go on there. I got to wait for this water to quit oozing out of here, or else I'll probably get a geyser. But I'm going to clean out around here a little bit. Take a look at this. I want this pipe to be straight, and so when we get done, it'll be fine. Stop for just a minute. So I'm going to kind of eyeball this. I'm going to put my sawzall down here. I just have to put the phone down a minute. I'm going to cut this out, and we'll be right back. So this is what you get. I made a little cut. I mean, there's still a lot of pressure on this line. I'm waiting for this pressure to go down so I can finish this repair. Open this. I use channel locks, but you just have to be careful. Don't squeeze this too much. Just enough pressure to get it open. Don't squeeze it. You'll bend it and you'll be sorry. I'm going to put some glue around this pipe with this brush, and I'm going to put some inside of here. I can't do this while I'm just going to have to pause it. Okay, so now I'm going to glue this into there, and then once that's glued, I'll glue this in it. Yeah, I'll glue that on there, and then I'll put glue on here and here, and I'll push this and make it connect. Turn it off again just to get this done. Okay, now that I've got that glued on, I'm going to connect these two pieces, put glue inside here, outside here, and push it and twist it a little bit for it to make a good seal. Here we go. Okay, and there we have it. We're going to let it sit for a while, read the instructions on the can to see how long we have to wait. Again, I'm going to use the channel locks to tighten this lid because it's not humanly possible to make it tight enough with your hands. It's really evaporates a lot, so just put enough pressure to hold the lid. You can tell when it doesn't want to go any further and stop. Okay, so the can says hold the fittings in place for 30 seconds to keep the pipes from pushing out. I mean, it can happen. Then it says wait 2 hours. I think I got this upside down. I think it said wait 2 hours for the doggone glue to completely cure to put pressure on it. I don't know how many plumbers would do that. I gotta wait here for 2 hours before this glue will dry. No. No, probably 30 minutes. I'm going to turn this bad boy on and hope for the best.